Are you confused about affiliate marketing and digital marketing, right? So there's difference between affiliate marketing and digital marketing, which I will show you guys in these videos on how both are working. But both are powerful to ways to earn money online, right? So let's break them down and compare each of these tools together. That which one should you go for to get started and make money online, right? So let's move into what affiliate marketing is. As some people know what affiliate marketing is, but for those that just come online and try to learn about affiliate marketing right now, so let's just talk about it small. Like promoting other people's product is what affiliate marketing is, right? So any commissions for every sales you make through your link is what we do in affiliate marketing. Whenever you promote any product through your unique link, like you get commission based on the percentage the vendor want to give out for the affiliate, right? So no product creations or customer service needed for this. You don't need to create products, you don't need customer service. All what you need to do is to join a particular platform, choose the product, and you start promoting it. Then you start making money online, right? So, what is digital marketing, right? If you know digital marketing very well, go to the comment sections and just let me know in the comment section what digital marketing is. Right? Because there is difference between digital marketing and affiliate marketing. But some people didn't understand, but they just know that it is just marketing, right? So digital marketing is promoting any product or service online, right? Any product or service online. So including SEO, social media, email, content, and paid ads, right? So that one is that you are promoting a lot of products online, right? You are promoting a lot of products online. It's not that product that you get from somewhere, the product that you know about, right? So you brand it, you create it, and you start selling it to people online. It can be that you have a skills in video editing, then you start selling that skill. That's what we call a digital marketing, right? So when you start selling your skills to people, that's what we call digital marketing online. So brand skill sell out for any brand, businesses or brands. Like you are rendering your services, your skills to businesses or brands. That what we call you are doing what we call a digital marketing when you are doing that. But when it comes to the affiliate marketing, you know that you join a particular platform and choose the product that you wanted to be promoting. You are not the owner. You don't know what is inside it, but you have understanding about what you want to sell. But when it comes to digital marketing, you are the owner of that skills that you are in that to. Key difference between the affiliate marketing and digital marketing right now. So you can see on my screen right now. So you see that features here is that digital marketing and affiliate marketing. So the scope here is that narrow is just that affiliate marketing is just to promote. If you are an affiliate, all what you need to do is just to promote. So when it comes to the digital marketing, you have the full strategy. Like you will promote, you will create, like you will grow audience for you to start making money when it comes to digital marketing. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, all what you need to do is just to promote. Like you don't need to create, just to promote. Right. So product ownership when it comes to affiliate marketing is no. And when it comes to digital marketing too, is yes or no, right? Because in digital marketing too, you cannot maybe you don't have the skills, but you have somebody there that know the skills, then you get the job and that person is doing it for you so that you submit the service to the businesses or brand that give you work to do online, right? So when it comes to the skills needed, all what you need to do for this particular affiliate marketing and digital marketing, you need all these skills that we mentioned right now. So with the content creations and the persuasions, SEO who has content and email, right? You need all these. Like even if you're affiliate or you're a digital marketer, you need all these very well. So the income source right here is that when it comes to affiliate marketing, you get commissions, client, product, sales, and brand. So these both are the same, but the difference between them is that when it comes to digital marketing, you will be the creator, you will be an creator, but the work will be much for you to get started with than the affiliate marketing, right? So pros and cons for the affiliate marketing, and you see it starts just only low startup cost and easy to begin, so passive income potential. And affiliate marketing have limit control, right? So and then commission dependent, like it depends on the product that you are promoting. Like if you are promoting a product of $100 and the vendor want to give you a 50% commission, that's it. that's what you'll be getting. You'll be getting a 50% commission. So you cannot control the amount of money that you'll be making when it's come to affiliate marketing. Right? So which one will you choose right now? I will just show you something like this. If you are to choose affiliate marketing if you want to start making money fast online, right? So you enjoy promoting and recommend. If you are someone that enjoy promoting and recommend products, right, or any other thing you like to recommend, refer people, you can start affiliate marketing if you are someone like that. But when it comes to digital marketing, choose digital marketing if you want a long-term career. Let's say you want to build something that will last for 10 years, 20 years, you can just go for the digital marketing. But if you are someone that just want fast money, go for affiliate marketing. Or for long term career or business or brands, go for digital marketing, right? So you if you are someone that you are interested in working with brands or freelancer, like you have a lot of skills and you want to work with brands. Let's say I want to be working with Jumia, I want to partner with Jumia, you do digital marketing in that way. So you cannot be in an affiliate marketing and doing all those brands deal or influencer or any other stuffs like that. You need to be in a field of the digital marketing, right, for you to be able to achieve all these goals, right? So final thought right here is that both can be combined for massive success. You can combine affiliate marketing with digital marketing and do it the same at the both time, right? You can do it at both times. So start with one, master it, and grow from there. That's how things works. When you get started, like you start affiliate marketing right now, so you just start. Don't just say you want to start affiliate marketing and digital marketing together. It's not possible because you will just fail, right? If you want to get started, choose the one that is easy for you. If it's affiliate marketing, first of all, do affiliate marketing. If it's digital marketing, first of all, do digital marketing. Then you now combine two together. And when you understand one, you now combine the two together and you start making monies online with both, right? So there's no one size fits all approach, right? So you can start both, but you need to start with one first for you to start making money online. And then don't forget to like, share these videos to others so that they can enjoy and benefit from this video and understand what affiliate marketing and digital marketing is. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then comment which one you want to start with. Follow me on all my social media page. Go to my bio and go follow me on all my social media page. So don't forget to comment what you want to start with in the comment sections so that I will know what to do in my next video for you guys so that you can start the one that you like and it will be easy for you. Right.